Hi friends, it's Vidya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. I'm having lots of fun visiting various garden centers to see what rose varieties are being sold this year since my gardening zone has been recently changed from 6B to 7A by USDA announcement. If you are wondering if that's even possible, yes, as the zoning is based on average of X number of years and looks like based on the global warming, historical data is now getting changed and that changes the overall average value. Anyways, if you are not sure if there is any change to your gardening zone, check it out. You may be surprised. Based on one level up in my gardening zone, I see that new plants are being introduced at the garden center, which is amazing, but at the same time, I'm very cautious in selecting plants that will thrive even in lower temperature. In today's video, I'm sharing various bare root rose plants that are available in Lowe's Garden Center. So let's go and check it out. They have Chicago Peace Rose and $18.98 and blooms spring, summer, fall, and it comes with 1 year warranty as always from Lowe's. And let's look at the plant profile quickly. They are average mature size 5 to 6 feet height and 3 to 4 feet width. So it's a good size shrub and hardy from zone 6 and above. So if you are living in zone 1 through 5, this is not a great option. And then this is one of variety that I have initially thought of buying and I bought it, but unfortunately I lost the plant. So this is Don Juan Claiming Rose and it's 32.98, 6 to 10 feet height and 6 to 10 feet width. So initially I was planning to plant this Don Juan and Zephyrin Rohin together because Zephyrin Rohin is like pinkish and this is bright red. So I thought these two will complement each other. So I bought both of them together, but I lost this plant, but pretty nice flower. And then here we have Orchid Masterpiece Rose. I think maybe this is the color. This is again full sun, grows 8 to 10 feet tall and 6 to 8 feet width. And this is another Claiming Rose collection. So Orchid Masterpiece Rose. I'm going to look at how this looks. If it is this color, I can think of buying this. Really wonderful. You also have these kind of bare roots and I'll show you some more collections there. I never bought these kind of rose bare roots, but see, look at this, woody plants. So look at this, how beautifully they are surviving like unpredictable weather. 2 days it's like summer weather and 3 days it's like spring weather. So they are tolerating all this weather change and still look how beautiful they are. Let's start from here. This is Touch of Glass and all these are grade A premium quality bare roots. This is for cut garden. And all the rows they say spring, summer, fall, but you can expect spring will be the beautiful display. And I think this is a full sun again, $14.98. It's a hybrid tea rose. Hybrid tea roses are mostly long stemmed for cutting gardens. So this is definitely if you are looking for cutting or making flower bouquet. Let's see if they have mentioned anything about the plant profile. Matures 3 to 4 feet and 3 to 4 feet height and zone 6 and above. And then you have Queen Elizabeth and this is cut rose long stemmed and $12.98 and the fragrance is light fragrance and you can see this is very fragrant. Most of the hybrid tea roses are, you can see they are fragrant and this seems like light fragrant, so it must be either Floribunda or something like that. This also grows 5 to 6 feet height and zone 6 and above. Yeah, look at this. Then we have Pink Promise. Pink Promise is honeyberries fragrance and $12.98. Let's see how mature size. It's 5 feet height and 4 feet width and zone 6 and above. Pink Promise looks pretty. And this is also cut rose. Then we have Rose Hands Up. Strong fragrance, cut rose and 9.98. You can see the plant looks thin. I don't know, I think these are not premium A grade quality. Yeah. What else we have here? You've seen Queen Elizabeth. Then we have Floribunda Rose Showbiz. Never heard of this rose. Let's look at the plant profile quickly. Ideal for cut flower, full sun, light fragrance. Blooms all 3 seasons. 2.5 to 3 feet height. Maybe a smaller one. It's very tiny. 9.98. Yeah, Queen of Elizabeth we have seen. I think Queen of Elizabeth seems to be pretty strong plant. Look, all 3 plants. You can see how much growth they have versus these. Then we have Angel Face. It's a Floribunda, very fragrant and cut rose. Let's see the plant size. 3 feet height, 3 feet width and 5 feet height. So looks like a good small size plant. Then we have Sunbelt Savannah, 19.98. I'm pretty excited to see this variety in big box store like Lowe's, because these are some unique varieties that I have seen only in online stores like Heirloom Roses and other online websites. So I'm pretty excited to see. I'm definitely going to explore more about these plant characteristics and see if I can buy them in less price than what I would otherwise get it from online stores. This grows 4 feet height, 3 feet width and full sun. Fragrant is citrus. Yeah. Pink Peas. It's a grade A. You can see the stem. They are really looking great. This is hybrid tea rose. Very fragrant. 14.98. And let's look at the plant size. It matures 5 to 6 feet height and 3 to 4 feet width. And then I think Rose Hybrid Tea Heirloom. You can see the plant is dyed kind of. Let's see how they look inside. This is what you get as a bare root. So they are dyed, but you have a lot of great options here. So beautiful options. Look at this. All giant plants for less cost. And these are the heirloom roses. They are still alive. So let's look at the plant. Strong fragrance, full sun, 14.98, and grows 5 to 6 feet height, 3 to 4 feet width. And then we have sweet Meadowmouse. I don't know how to read this. 19.98. Grows up to 5 feet tall. And then we have Bolero. Let me show you guys. Bolero 19.98. And this also another small size rose plant, 3 to 4 feet height, 2 to 3 feet width. Great for pot. I have seen one of the gardeners, this was prolific in their garden. We have Perfuma Summer Romance, 19.98, 4 feet height, 3 feet width. And this is Romantica Moonlight, 19.98. This is another variety I have seen in heirloom roses, so I'm pretty excited to see this in big box store. So I'm going to explore more about this and see if it's a worth purchase with less cost than online website. Then we have modern bush, and this is not A grade, so you can see the plant size, it's small, and it's 9.98. Cut rose, let's see plant profile quickly. Yeah, it grows 2 to 4 feet, so it's maybe a kind of a small bush. Okay, let's take a look at some of the climbing clematis. Dr. Ripple Clematis, 14.98, and this comes with a nice little trellis, and already they are in bloom, and some of these like you have buds, so if you buy them you will enjoy the bloom. So I feel like this is pretty good choice of buying than the bare root, right? 14.98, and the same Dr. Ripple Clematis, and you can see how the bloom looks now, so pretty good option. You can look at the trellis, how they look, pretty nice, small trellis, maybe 12-inch trellis, and you can see how the blooms looks now. Pretty, isn't it? Look at this. Nice color. So this is climbing vine clematis, Madame Julia Corrigan, I don't know. This grows full sun, zone 3 and above, and it blooms June to September, grows up to 10 to 11 feet tall. And this is Clematis Zillion Blades, full sun, zone 4 and above. It blooms May to June, and it grows up to 6 to 8 feet tall. Look at this. Zillion Blades. And this is Clematis Jackmany Superba. I think this is the one I have in my home. Full sun, zone 3 and above, July to September, and grows 9 to 12 feet tall. Maybe not, I don't know. I thought my clematis blooms spring, not in summer. I have to check. Then this is the one I was saying. So you can see here, it's the same Dr. Apple, zone 3 and above, blooms May, June, September, and grows up to 9 to 10.5 feet tall. And you can see they are like bare root, small pot. But if you buy the other one, they look really pretty nice. And this looks to be more interesting plant. I was thinking whether I should buy this. Look at this, guys, beautiful clematis, Duchess of Edinburgh, and it looks like doubles, full sun, zone 4 and above, and blooms May, June and September, 5 to 8 feet tall. Pretty nice, isn't it? Here is the price comparison chart that I have put together for all the rows that I saw in the Lowe's comparing to an online order, and also their size and their zone, and whether they are part friendly. Hope this comparison chart helps you guys to choose which variety you want to plant in your garden. Alright guys, hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing it with your friends.